Hi everyone. Welcome to this week's trading strategy video. In this video, I want to teach you a strategy that I used to turn $1,000 into $3,600 with that. Everything you need to know is in this video. Entry point, take profit, stop loss and 10-day backtest result. Be sure to watch the video to the end to learn the strategy well and be able to make easy money from the market. If you are ready, let's go. You can use any time frame, but my recommended time frame for this strategy is 15 minutes. Now it's time to add the first indicator to the chart. An indicator that has recently become very popular. The name of this indicator is Chandelier Exit. Choose this one. This indicator has many features, some of which we do not need. Disable features we do not need to make the chart cleaner. In order to bring the sell labels and buy labels closer to the chart, we select below bar for the buy label and above bar for the sales label. But now we have to adjust the indicator inputs. Go to the inputs and set the ATR period to 1 and the ATR multiplier to 2. As you can see, this indicator gives us many signals, many of which are false signals. Now I'm going to tell you how to filter the signals to increase our chances of success. To do this, go to the indicators section again and add a moving average to the chart. We set the moving average number to 20. I change its color to yellow and make it a little thicker to make it look clearer. But how should we trade? The condition for entering the buy position is that the price is above the moving average and the CE indicator gives us a buy signal. So, with the closing of the candle, we enter the buy position and set the stop loss below the previous swing, and set the take profit 1.5 times the stop loss. Therefore, when the price is below the moving average, we do not enter into a buy position, and these are false signals. For a sell trade, the price should be below the moving average and the CE indicator should give us a sell signal. With the closing of the candle, we enter the sell position, and we set the stop loss above the previous swing and the take profit 1.5 times the stop loss. There is an important point about the stop loss and take profit that I will tell you at the end of the video, but before that, let's see what result we would have achieved if we had traded with this strategy in the last 10 days on XAUUSD 15-minute chart. Let's see the result of the backtest together. Well, the 10-day backtest is over. As you can see, if we had traded on gold with the same strategy in the last 10 days, we would have made 11 trades, 8 of which would have been closed with a profit. That means we had more than 72% win rate while our take profit is 1.5 times the stop loss, so this is a profitable strategy. If we risked $100 per trade, we would make a total profit of $900, and if we risked $1,000 per trade, we would make a total profit of $9,000. But let's get to the important point that I wanted to tell you about the profit and loss limits. Before that, I ask you to like this video if it is useful, and if you want to learn a free profitable strategy every week, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification. But it's time to tell you the important thing about take profit and stop loss. Sometimes the candle that we want to trade with it is too long. So our stop loss will be far away, and as a result, the take profit, which is 1.5 times the stop loss, becomes much farther away, so the risk of the trade increases and the probability of its success decreases. In this case, We put the stop loss to half the size of the entry candle and the take profit 1.5 times the stop loss. Finally, I suggest you watch this video, maybe it is the strategy you are looking for. Don't forget to subscribe, I am waiting for you next week with a new strategy. Goodbye for now.